This trip was part of my 75th birthday. Before I came, I was told to have an intention, but not an expectation. My intention was clarity for this stage of my life. I want to say my intentions were met and expectations beyond my dreams. Every ceremony brought me to a deeper level of understanding myself and my personal journey. If you have concerns about taking the ayahuasca, I say release those fears. The staff, maestros, and facilitators give you warmth and security. You know you are safe. The experience helps release blocks in your life, understanding your true purpose and path. This is just the beginning. What I've experienced here, I take back with me with a new way of understanding who I am and where I want to go. Thank you, and I hope you join the Arkana family.